So here's a view across the lily pool, and we're looking at the bird bath that was put down in the restoration in 2001 and 2. It had gone into disrepair. The stones had fallen over, and so they had photographs of what it was, and the masons that they had who helped rebuild the stonework at the lily pool created this feature. And so on the other side, there's a drinking fountain for humans that fills up 2 basins that become bird baths for the birds. And then the stone that you see on the very top of it, a flat stone, it's kind of like the eating area for birds of prey, peregrine falcons, who will hit a pigeon and then, or a rabbit or a chipmunk, and then devour it on that stone. It's kind of interesting to come through here in springtime, and where the lily pool has been closed for the whole winter, and the first people to come through will see skeletons and bones and bits and pieces of wildlife that have met their demise and gone to their greater glory.